Hello folks.
Hello,
What
how
is
are
up?
you?
I will show you how to get your kick and the 808 punch harder. Okay, let's go get started. First let me make some patterns, counter snares first. I don't want to go crazy on this patterns, I'm keeping it really basic. I just want to show you the kick trick. And let's do the snares. Yeah, that one is perfect. Let's get a kick. And keep in mind, choose something made for drill, not some random kicks in random sample packs. I mean, yes, sometimes it can work, but most of the time it doesn't, so choose a good kick. I would go with this drill kick by my boy J Cactus. Finally, let's grab a 808. Hold on, we are not done yet. And same as the kick, choose a drill 808, you know. Something made for drill. I will go with this one right here. Okay, I'm happy with this drums. Alright girls and boys, this is the trick. Go to the master channel right here. Click this plus icon and add the distortion effect, right here. Now your FL Studio version can be different. I know you probably got the latest one, but it's okay. Still you can find this exact distortion effect. Okay, now, change the distortion mode to this tube. And turn down the drive a little bit. You can always mess with this settings, and get something creative. You can try that soft one too. But let's go with this settings for now. There we go. You can see the difference, aren't you? Now try it by yourself. I know it's better if I show you this by making a full song, but my friend, I'm lazy. Okay then, I think you can make something different now from what you were making yesterday. But before I go, let me tell you what we did here. As I know.
Mode applies nonlinear saturation with soft compression, rounding transits, and generating
Alright, you got it. Don't think. Just do it. Follow my steps, bro. Make sure you subscribe. I really want that support, man. I'm broke. See you in another video. Take care, producers. Touch some grass.
You little virgin.